Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Go with the numbskull Jamaicans them who feel like say them alone support artists. And if I see TJ post something, bro, you don't need to sit down and say, yo, oh, him can't do that like that man there. Or, re.
A few moments later.
Fan base get 1.5 million subscriber. And then, y'all go tell me some my page mash up because that man over there started to do some things. Like other day, people not even get notification from my YouTube channel when I post a song. I may say, what kind of style is? And then I stay and say, I'm going to go run through YouTube, link up some YouTube people, and people might tell me, say, my page flag because it depends 4 sites when I'm supposed to stream through. So I say, oh, we page even reach for 4 sites when I'm stream through.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
And that's what I say. So I just feel like these niggas and them people here will come and say them do them little thing, you know, this and that and that. I just feel like something I go on in a game, it just don't make sense, Sean. May I be honest with you, man.
How did we get?
So you remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. Our the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. Our the latest report them.
People are going, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, know things set, man, cause people, all of them look at numbers, and all of them look at something there. It was all a fake. You understand? Yeah, man. Cause sometimes you wonder, someone a drop some video and you see some views and everything, but people, dancehall bigger in there. You understand? Yeah, man. The views them a sell like hot bread. You understand? Yeah, man. Views them a buy rapidly. Yeah, man. Cause down the line of the video, you go realize what go on. And you don't know. Big up Nick FSB, you see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. Yeah, man, for the little clip and thing. What go on. But people, tell you right now, also my favorite artists, because this is the thing, you know. I can't hear of a dancehall show in India. And for see, them artists here, one I go see soon, I clock so much millions of views. And you tell me, say, we can't see one dancehall show in India. Something right. Something is off. Them artists here have millions of views. And you say, yo, what go on? How them artists here have so much millions of views, but we never see them perform in India. But down the line, we're not going to find out what go on. You understand? Because it don't even look good. It don't look good at all. And some artists, when them say the goat and the big and every little thing, yeah, man, we're not going to see them in it too. You see it? Because it don't look good, but we're not going to see what go on, people. Read the video, yeah.
I do just type in an artist name like this, man, MASICKA. And they just go and say, oh, 1 year, and just go and you type in India right or someone. That got India, man. 1.46 million in India. Come on, man. You know what artists can see 1 million views? And 1.4 million dog do India and that. Hot! India, you know, my friend. Look for the song that we are born up all over India. Watch out. Rich Sex, almost 1 million in India, dog. Like Gold Scope. You get me, I say? All them new song, them Whites. You know what I mean? Moments. Like, come on, man. India, we think they're right now, that. Believe. So, right? We can even check Spice real quick. You know what I mean? Let's see what Spice is doing over in India. India, the ball game there, you know. I'm sure people them want to go out with India with Spice. So, for the last year, we see how Spice are going on now as a queen. Come on, man. I'm not telling you, man. 36 million in India, they say the ball game. Like, this is the benchmark now. If you not get over 1 million in India, you're not saying anything in a dancehall. May I tell you? Right? So Spice, another little birdie tell me, a Spice have a headline the Jamaica India Fest. Alright, Spice will be the headliner out there. I think she's the hottest thing right now. I think she's the hottest thing right now over in you know. So Spice do 36 million over in India. We show the masquerade 1.8 million. You know where it go. Oh, next for the chopping board I know. Cause I give you the lineup still and I think I joke me again. Who else for the lineup? Who else for the lineup one night time? Kartel, Bumbuckler, forward the fall off. So Cartel. We swear you go on over India. Because Masicka the 1.8 million. We swear you deal with if you fly over. Boom booklet. What? 6 million over India youth? How would I ramp it, dog? That is what you call the goal. Hey, Chevy, big up yourself, you know. Hits. Just reads with my dog Patel. He must say Masicka run body. Zidi. Think the cartel a clock 6 million over there, my friend. We not going with nothing there. Big man thing, bro. You have got chef up and read him wrong at one part, man. Yeah, man, I India, I think that, man. Who next when they send up on the chopping boat? I mean, I feel like a joke in the Jamaica, India face of a mad dog. I'm telling you, man. Who else? Valiant. Bombo Clan. So cartel is 6 mil. When Masicka there again? Hold on, man. We have to, hey, somebody keep a scoreboard, you know. I want to know who at over there, you know. The fuck can I say? Alright. Masicka there 1.46 mil. Alright. Cartel is 6 mil. 1 second, 1 night time. Chevy. They 1.46. VYBZ KARTEL. They 6 mil. Who else wanna say? Tommy Lee. Bumbuck life. Tommy Lee ever pass Masicka over there. Problem in this. 1.46 mil, alright. Tommy Lee. We swear you're going over in India, the dog. India. Bumbuck 12 points. What the fuck? So Tommy Lee 2 times big. Alright. So Tommy Lee. Mighty God, Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee, oh, you say Tommy Lee in India now. Tommy Lee, I don't fucking know. Who next? TJ. Forward there, my brother. TJ. So you go out with over there, my G. Run it. India. Pull up. 3 point. Whoa. The dog utter that Masicka over there to pussy. Now, so 3.17 million in India. Boy, alkaline, fall off of India, my dog. Me I tell you the truth, bro. This no look good for the data. This no. All Shamili. Okay. Liquidish. What? Pull up international bar. Skilly. Oh, Skilly. Forward. So I go out over there, dog. See if they make a line up. I'm not alkaline, I make a line up for sure. India, Skilly, enter. I can't 540 million, I say India. I lie, I tell. Oh, Bombo Clot 20 was capping when I was saying this shit. 22 million views. Fuck that. We see how much I get at Jamaica. If you get 22 million at India, nigga, you gotta be getting 40 million in Jamaica. Bombo Clot. Hold on. Say that I get 25 million in a Jamaica, India, 22 mil. But hold on. Skilly at India, man. This don't look good at. Me have it right as well. Tamil, hold on, Tamil, India. Alright, 12.6 million. Alright, so Tamil at 12.6. TJ was hold on there. 3.7. Alright. Okay. So who last will do? Skilly Bang. Yeah man, Skilly I lead the pack, man. Skilly I lead the pack, man, for sure. Hold on. 22.4 million India. Yeah man. Skilly I got headline it female part. Hold on. Hold on, give me a second, guys. We get hold on there. Alright, good. What, Jenny? Why? We'll see if you're gonna beat the 35 mil. Come on, the Shensia. India. Over there we gone. Mumbai. Bombo Close. Shensia look like she gonna get there, you know? She run her up after Spice. Alright? She run her up after Spice. Who next? When you come back, you go on over here, so now. See if you have the headline act, you know, world pilot. You see? So I go on with popcorn over here, so no. India, enter. Bombo Clot. Popcorn. You damn. Popcorn got 861K, bro. Shit. Alright. Alka forward, my general. So I go out over there, my dog. So I go out with alkaline, India. Damn, alkaline. 362, bro. Fuck. We're not getting no bookings over there. We can't get no bookings. Dog. I feel away. Damn, bro. Alka. Damn. I like this for we, dog. 300,000, dog. For the year. 0.2 mil. Pull up cartel already. Expand the board one night time. Alka no get book. Alka no get book one night time, people. Who next on the India chopping board one night time? Drop a name again. Got me soon to drop some name, you know. Who next? Support the live stream, ladies and gentlemen. You know thing come down. Entertainment at its finest one night time. You know a thing go sensational.
Sensational.
Who next on the board? Oh, Dexter Daps. Bombo Clad. Dexter Daps. So you going? Yo, Dapper. So you going with over there? Man. India. Bombo Clad. 1 million. Tell us, I can't fall off over there, you know. Alright, when I ramp with the thing. Mavado. Hold on there. Anyway, India. Enter. Mavado and Dexter Daps, they were the same level over there, man. 1.2 mil. Pull up cartel already have. Pull up cartel already, man. 6 million him have, man. 6 million, man. In the late 3 live, man. In the late, man. 1.2 mil. Bombo clavada, hotter than alkaline. Damn, that's crazy. Jamil. Bombo clavada, hotter than alkaline. Damn, that's crazy. Jamil. So I go on for Jamil over there. India. Damn. Jamil not really going out with nothing like that, man. Valiant. We don't pull up Valiant already. Hold on. So a Valiant going out with. Valiant. Enter. 365. India. Bombo clot. 7.2. Damn. Valiant at 7.2 million in India, bro. Hot. We're gonna get the line up there, you know. Hold on. Shan. India. See, I go on with over here. Hold on, man. 365. Don't fuck up. India. 2 million. Asian just bust that. So Asian fly past my father them all them over India, like. Boombo clot. The server no week we prove the world, right? 2.2 mil. That hotter than all cartel. No. That hotter than Massicka over there too. Squash a drop music, man. Squash a drop music. Squash, they have not come up there. Watch out, no result. Bumbacla, no result. Lord God, Squash. They have India no killer. It's crazy, fam. Who next? 450. Well on. So I go on with the 50 there. No result. Bumbacla. India no the dog. How I go on? 450 now pop up. Who next? Oh, Canicla. Alright. Canicla. Alright. YouTube got this in, man. India. Yo, before I click enter, wanna play some bet. Before I click enter, play some bet. Boom. Rasclat. Canicla, you low. Hold on, we saw going with Jada one at a time. Jada Kingdom. We are going with over Mumbai, you know, Mumbai. See where you going with there. India, enter. Jada flop over India, da. Jada flop over India, bro. She not attack India, brother. Oh, Chantel did write something, I'm gonna read it. Very, very important thing she said, you know. She said, "Put me gun, man. Shani, come here, man. Go down there. Hey, hold on. Sean Paul. Say I go out over here now, my J. International boss, you know, man. Enter. Boom, Buckler. Hey! 56 million. Boom, boom. Oh, which song I give him that? No lie. Nah, man, him good, man. Forward the Shaggy, because I want to know what's going on. 56 mil, alright. Shaggy. Bumbo clat. What ya know? Shaggy. Make you see where you're going with over there now, my G. Where there? Okay, alright. 365. Where am I compete with? 53 mil? Alright. India. Enter. Boom. Sean Paul bigger than you, da. Yeah, Sean Paul bigger than you, Shaggy, bro. Come on, man. Do better than that, man, my G, man. Come on. 19. Bobby Marley. Bob Marley. Enter. So, Bobby are going with over there one at a time. Bob Marley 100 mil, man. They even ask no charge. Watch a click. Enter. Bumbo clot. Bumbo. 6 mil. No. This cannot be India. Hold on. Type this shit again. India. Enter. Miras. Hold on.
Nobody even know the song. Where it come from? See that?
Watch out. Look at the contrast. Music video, 1 million 8 days. Audio, 33,000 in 7 days. You know what the views are from? See it, man.
India.
Hold on,
India,
man. Tommy Lee. Hold on, me hear somebody calling Bombo Cla. Hold on, the father skip. Hold on, father skip. Cause I get grand entrance, you know. Hold on. So, see song, yeah, man. Oh, wait, hold on. No, hold on. India, last 7 days. India, see song, yeah. See that, man. Fully active, man. I see it. Yeah. See that? Top Scheme Road. See that? Top Scheme Road, 1 million. And India, Top Scheme Road, the 542,000. So half of that are India, bro. Anyways, we bring to you the leader of...
Yes, people, you see what I go on this, so? Much of the artists say me a buy views and all of them look at something here. And you wonder, so my time, I think say, them money with the organic with the thing. You understand? Because this is the thing, you know, people. Yeah, you have a 1 and 2 viewers over India, but when you see them artists, you clock how much millions over India. You understand? We know say Sean Paul and Shaggy them will clock that. You see it? Cause them big from day one. You see me them well global. But some artists, you see all Tommy Lee and Skill. You say wait, no man, this now make no sense. Cause we shouldn't have a dancehall event in India right now. If them a pull so much millions of people. But you don't know. India one a big country them where views by. You understand? So all of them numbers but that them use and trick the people them. You see it? That them use and trick the people them. I would think say yo them artists are the big and all of them look something and all of them look views, yeah. It not make no sense, people. It just not make no sense. Too much views. You see it because you can't remember say India is a country where some different type of language, you know. So them not really in the dancehall world like that. For them artists are clock ultimately much millions. You understand? But we can't see no stage show. When the last one ever you want stage show I keep in India. Where just be a reggae and like dancehall and them thing there. Zine, when last you want dancehall artists say yo them a go India go perform. You understand? It not look good. The artists them is like I don't know what them want the views look pretty, but the song them end up flap. What really a go on? The artists them what them say around the place. Nothing a go on for them. You understand? Yeah. So you wonder what really are going? Yeah, so them people, yo, some of the time when them numbers you wanna see, you can't even believe some of them numbers here. You understand? Like, man, them a buy views hard and feel like say, yo, that gonna make them thing look good. Brother, you can't buy so much views, bro, when the song going at a party. You don't even perform them song when no go party either. Cause nobody now know them. You understand? I know so the thing work. I know so the thing works. So this bag of views and soon after this, all TJ say him channel get leaked, them don't know what go on. Because you buy too much views, brother. You buy too much views, mash up on the channel. Because you don't want the views look good. Bro, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense, bro. You understand? Because if you song them not playing in a party and all of them look at something, brother. You don't feel like say, everybody go up on YouTube and just type in the name all the time. Remember, you know, if you're not hot road, you know, if you're not a hot artist at the moment, nobody not search for you in a YouTube. So when you want to drop that song, they buy all 1 million views. Brother, that pull no weight, brother. I tell you, that not pull no weight. Right now, we're in a social media era. At the top man, them right now, we are do. You understand? Because some artists, where them a push up, we see what I go on. You understand? But soon after them, I realize, you know, because me know why bring this energy, you know, and any time they left him foot, you know, him not nothing to work with. You understand? Yeah, man. So, all of this to say, the artists them for do better. We not buy this millions of views in India when not make no sense. That now do nothing for the music, brother. Because when you buy it over India, nobody not really listen it over India. You see it? Nobody not listen to it. So now do all of them things to make it look good and all of that. Jano, it not make no sense. You see it? Just not make no sense, people. But, well, if you don't have money for waste and then song flop, go and do it. You understand? Because that now go pull, no, that now buying bots or buying views man in India and them something for YouTube, bro. That now make you make no money, bro. You understand? Now make no money. So if we see a couple millions on it and then no buy a couple bots, bro, Jano, nah make no sense. The artists them need to put in more work, more quality music and all of them look at something. Because right now them just attack. You see it? Because let me tell you, right now when some artists put out some music or just some bad mind thing, you understand, just some hate it. Them say, yo, everything where that man put out, yeah man, hits. Everything where that man put out, it flop. It just not make no sense. That sound good to the people. Eh? When this man drop song, them say everything a hit. But when they check it, how much song him collab with people and all of them something, them hide that. And when this man now drop song, everything when him drop flop. That not make no sense, brother. You see it? But at the end of the day, the man where them say flop, that man the song I get more talk about, I bring more controversy. Just the audio alone, I bring controversy. Him not do no video. So you show the power of the music, bro. You understand? Because right now, them just a proper man thing because of the little hype we are going and all of them look something there. Because him well promoted, label are promote him. But in due time, people are going to know what really are going. You understand? I don't think them even. Because remember when him sign with the label, you know, the real way, things start get pushed like that. You understand? At them time that them start say, yo, rare. But we know the things set already. But people, when I don't know, you know, artists them, we need to do better. Yeah, man, the bag of millions of buy views and all of them look at something there. When you see some artists have some millions of views and you wonder, so fast, na 4 days, and you say, yo, so him drop a song today and it not pass this. What happened? And them a pump some views and they have a robot, them a work, but in due time, everybody are going to realize, you know, a lot of them are get exposed in the mainstream and say what go on. But people they don't know in the media facts, you know. Yeah, man, I have to make the people them know what go on. You see it? That is it.